Hello YouTube, I'm Top 3D from YouTube and I'm back with another video. So in this video we're gonna do something different, and that is I have got a cloth here that is invisible. So it's invisible, so it's not Harry Potter. So the main thing about this video is I want to teach you how to do this, and you can do this with KineMaster and also with the PC softwares, but I'm gonna do this with Final Cut Pro because I want to do it with Final Cut Pro. KineMaster on iOS devices is not so optimized, so I do not like using it. So if you are on KineMaster Android device, then make sure to do it. The steps are same and you're gonna get this. So this thing is really great. You know why? See? Yeah. So you can hide with this. It's pretty good. You can do many things if you learn how to do this, but the main thing is doing it. So let's get into the work. So you're gonna need a cloth that is like this. You can do with green, blue, but anything that is not matching your colors, your background, yourself, and your skin. Okay, so you're not gonna have a red skin or blue or green. If you're having that, then you have to use something else. Okay, so that's not a problem, and you need a software that is like on PC or on the mobile phone. So let's do this. Okay, so open Final Cut Pro and watch your video. No, but find a spot where you can see yourself and also the cloth. So you need to see yourself. You know why? Because sometimes you fix the chroma key on the cloth, but you destroy yourself because you're also invisible. So you have to turn the spill level to 0 and then click on the the sample color, or what is that, and select the color that you want to remove. So it's black now because there is no background. So you should have a clip of the background, and then you can duplicate it anytime you want in the video, because the background is not going to change, and if it's going to change, it's not going to be so quick that one tree will be shifted to the other place of the background. But so now you can see that I am also invisible, my face. So you can fix this, and you know how? You can fix this by clicking on your video on which you applied the chroma key, and you can go down and not so down, Wait, I'm gonna find a spot. I'm gonna find a spot where I'm acting a bit good. So you can go to Made Tools and turn the white level nearer to the black. Just bring it near to the black. Now you can see myself, I am clear. And then you can also just turn a little bit of softness up, and you can also bring down the whites again. I think it looks pretty good now. Now you have the invisible cloth. So this is how it's done. On KineMaster, you can also click on the color that you want to remove, and you will get the same result if you have the background under it. So I hope you like this video. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos like this. Peace out.